Hi students, today I am going to discuss about the topic polyvinyl chloride. It is simply represented as PVC. The recycling identification number for the PVC is triangle number 3. The PVC has the following structure, that is single bond CH2 single bond CHCl n times. It is the structure of PVC. PVC is the world third largest thermoplastic material by volume after polythene and polypropylene. It is an example of addition polymerization and also it is an example of thermoplastic. That is, PVC is an addition polymer and it is also a thermoplastic. Polyvinyl chloride is a white brittle solid. It is insoluble in alcohol but soluble in tetrahydrofuran. Then something about the discovery of PVC. PVC was first made unintentionally in 1872 by German chemist Eugen Baumann. He exposed vinyl chloride gas sealed in a tube to sunlight and produced a white solid called PVC. Generally, PVC comes in two basic forms. Number one is a rigid form and another one is flexible form. The rigid form of PVC is used in construction for pipe and in profile applications such as doors and windows. It is also used in making bottles, non-food packaging, food covering sheets, etc. And the next one is flexible type. In flexible form, it is also used in plumbing, electrical cable insulation and many applications where it replaces rubber. First, we are going to discuss about synthesis of PVC. For the preparation of PVC, we have two steps. First step is the preparation of the monomer and the second step is the conversion of monomer into polymer. Okay, there are two methods for the production of monomer vinyl chloride. Okay, number one is by cracking ethylene dichloride in vapor phase. The number two is by reacting acetylene with hydrogen chloride, that is HCl, in presence of catalyst. In first step, it is the ethylene dichloride. It reacts with the 500 degrees Celsius and high pressure to give vinyl chloride. In second method is by reacting acetylene and HCl at 150 degrees Celsius in the presence of catalyst to give vinyl chloride. That is, there are two methods for the preparation of the monomer vinyl chloride. Second step is the preparation of polyvinyl chloride from the monomer vinyl chloride. PVC is prepared by heating vinyl chloride in an inert solvent in presence of a small quantity of catalyst like benzoyl peroxide under a high pressure. Okay, here n molecule of vinyl chloride in presence of benzoyl peroxide to give PVC. Okay, it is the preparation of PVC. This is all about the manufacture of or synthesis of PVC. That is, it involves with two steps. First step is the preparation of vinyl chloride, that is the monomer of the PVC. Second step, monomer is converted into polymer in presence of a catalyst benzoyl peroxide. Then something about PVC. PVC is one of the cheapest and most widely used plastic. It is used for large scale production of cable insulation, equipment parts, pipes, laminated material, fiber manufacturer, etc. Then we are going to discuss the properties of PVC. It is a white brittle solid material available in powder form or granules. PVC is very versatile and cost effective material. Its main properties and benefits include, due to its versatile properties such as lightweight, durable, low cost and easy processability, PVC is now replacing traditional building material like wood, metal, concrete, rubber, ceramics, etc. in several applications. Electrical properties of PVC. PVC is a good insulation material. Then durability. PVC is resistant to weathering, chemical rotting, corrosion, shock and abrasion. It is therefore the preference choice for many long life and outdoor products. Then chemical resistance. PVC is resistant to all inorganic chemicals. It has very good resistance against dilute acids, dilute alkali and aliphatic hydrocarbons. Then application of PVC. In this slide, we are going to learn about the application of PVC in construction field. In construction field, PVC is used for window frames, pipes, house siding, pots, roofing, waterproof membrane, cable insulation, roof lining, greenhouses, etc. Domestic uses of PVC is curtain rails, drawer sides, laminates, audio and video tapes cases, records, flooring, wall coverings, shower curtains, leather cloth, house pipes, etc. PVC also used in clothing area, that is safe for the preparation of safety equipments, waterproofs for fishermen and emergency services, life jackets, shoes, Wellington's boot and baby pants. Electrical application of the PVC is for the manufacture of insulation pipes, jacketings, electricity distribution boxes, switches, plug housings, battery terminals, cable and wire insulation, cable jackets, sockets, sable heads and distributors. Other application of PVC is it is used for the manufacture of various floppy disk covers, credit card, traffic signs, conveys belts, inflatables, sports goods, toys, garden hoses, etc. One question is PVC harmful? PVC contained dangerous chemical additives including phthalates, lead, cadmium and organotins, which can be toxic to your child health. This toxic additive can leach out or evaporate into the air over a time, posing unnecessary dangers to children. Here I am using one word, phthalates. Phthalates are esters of phthalic anhydride. They are mainly used as a plasticizer. That means plasticizer means substances added to plastic to increase their flexibility, transparency, durability and longevity. They are used primarily to soften polyvinyl chloride. Then we are going to discuss some multiple choice question about PVC. The first question is that the monomer of polyvinyl chloride is A. Chloroethene, B. Ethylene dichloride, C. Ethyl chloride, D. Chloroform. The answer is that option A, that is chloroethene. It is also called as vinyl chloride. The next question is that polyvinyl chloride, PVC, is a thermosetting material, a condensation polymerization product made by employing addition polymerization. None of this. The answer is that option C, that is made by employing addition polymerization. We already studied about PVC. PVC is a thermoplastic and also it is a addition polymer. Then third question is that vinyl flooring is done by using dash sheets: polypropylene, PVC, polythene, polyvinyl acetate. The answer is option B, that is PVC. Then fourth question is polyvinyl chloride is a dash material: thermoplastic, thermosetting plastic, fibers, chemically active. The answer is option A, that is thermoplastic. Okay. Then fifth question is raincoats are made of neoprene, PVC, polyurethane and SBR, that is styrene, butadiene, rubber. Okay, the answer is option B, that is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Okay, this is all about synthesis, properties and application of PVC. Okay, thank you.